let's do smoothie together. So I decided to do smoothie, and I am doing a combination of banana. So this is my banana. My hands are clean. Only washed them. Yeah. So this is the banana. Okay, I have watermelon. Yeah, and I have avocado. Yes, avocado. All right, pear, avocado. So I'm going to be mixing these three together. I actually don't want, I'm keeping it simple. All right, I don't want so much of the mixture and everything in there. So I'm going to be doing these three fruits together. We're going to be grinding it smoothie. You grind it. This is my blender here that I'm going to be using to grind it. Yeah, I really don't want it too smooth. You know, when you eat all the sharps and everything in these fruits, the taste amazing. The taste very different. So let's do it together. So this is a blender I'm actually using. Should I advertise Miwi? Miwi, I'm advertising you a kind of. So I'm actually using the Miwi blender. It's actually very good. I've used it for months now. It's very nice. All right, so we are going to be grinding it together, and let's do it together. So watch me as I grind the smoothie, and let's see how it's going to taste and how it will come out. All right, so let's do it together. Okay, so I'm going to put in some of my banana in there. Yeah, so I'm going to be blending it together. You're seeing the quantity of what I'm putting, what I'm adding up. Yeah, okay, I'm going to be doing this twice. I'm going to be doing this 2 times, so I won't stress the blender. Okay, I think this is good. So let's do this first. Let's grind it. It looks dry, but let's do it without water. Let's see the outcome of it. Then we are going to add our water. Did you see that? Very dry. It did not work out well. So let's add our water. Okay, so I have my water here already. Not too much of water. Then we're going to go again. Let's do it again. Let's go. I'm doing it again because I want it to be smooth. Kind of smooth, not too very smooth, but kind of. So again. Do you know that smoothie helps to also glow your skin? Do you know that? It helps to make your skin glow. It helps you health-wise internally. This is fruits. It's better than soda. Yes, it is. Till tomorrow, I love taking this more than soda. So you should try yours. You must not go for expensive fruit. The cheap, simple fruits, mix it together, grind it, and drink it. Try it once in a week or twice in a week. You can do it every day. Kudos to you. You will just see your skin so glossy, so glowish. Let me speak that English. So beautiful, so in short. People will be asking you, what are you using? Because you'll be like, I'm not mixing anything, it's just smoothie that is helping me out. So let's grind this one more time so we can go to the second set. Okay, so we are good at this point. So let's turn it out and prepare the blender for the next one. So I'm going to be turning it into this rubber. So this is how it looks. That's the color. Can you see that? Amazing color. Let's turn it together. Not that thick, just there. Okay, so I want to remain a little of it in the blender, so I'm not going to be adding too much of water in the next set. So that's what you do, so you won't add a lot of water in your second set. All right, so let's do this. Let's put this set in there. Okay. Yeah, we're almost there. Okay, so we have liquid already. No need of adding water, but I just want to do that. Since we had the liquid, we still remain some from the previous one. So let's grind this. Did you see this? Yeah, we're going to be doing it one more time. Let's do it again. So we are good. All right, so let's actually test it. Let's put it in a cup to test. First, I'm saying, wow, this is thick. This is quite thick, okay? So I would have added water. I'm going to do it again. So this is how it looks. Very nice, but it's just that it's hot, so I have to put it in the fridge for it to be cold. So we'll enjoy it more. So do yours and let's see how it is, how it tastes. This is healthier than all other things you've been drinking. That is not, you don't know how they made it, but this is. Thank you so much for watching. Please do yours. Subscribe, like, comment, and please join our community and membership. We have a lot and a lot to give to you, and we are ready to share your videos, to post your videos, to collaborate with you. Thank you so much, and bye.